This is the Dalkon Shield, the first IUD on the market and the third part of what I like to call the unholy trinity of medical disasters that completely derailed women's health for decades after thalidomide and DES. Marketed in the early 70s as a safer and more effective contraceptive, it lasted a grand total of just 4 years on the market before being pulled for causing serious harm to thousands of women. What made the Dalkon Shield distinctive and ultimately dangerous is this multi-filament string. Unlike other IUDs today with a single solid string, the Dalkon Shield string had multiple threads of string inside a sheath, kind of like a tiny cable wire. And that created tiny spaces where bacteria could travel from the vagina into the normally sterile uterus. This is a photo of all the bacteria that got caught in the Dalkon Shield string. It was also difficult to insert correctly. I mean, look at that design. It's practically medieval. With that unusual shape, there were many cases of incorrect placement leading to IUD failures, infections, and unintended pregnancies. Like many women's health products at the time, it was rushed to market in 1971 without adequate testing. As women began using the device, serious problems quickly emerged. Severe pelvic infections led to infertility and, in the worst cases, death. There's also super dangerous misinformation suggesting that the shield did not need to be removed during pregnancy. Spoiler alert, it absolutely did. Tragically, more than a dozen women died after miscarrying with a Dalkon IUD still in place. Internal memos later revealed that the Dalkon Corporation knew about the problems with the string but continued to market it anyway. By 1974, the device was pulled after being linked to at least 18 deaths and thousands of injuries. Eventually, over 300,000 affected women filed lawsuits forcing the company to go bankrupt and create a $2.5 billion victim compensation fund. Today, IUDs are considered a Class 3 medical device by the FDA, which is the highest risk category alongside pacemakers and deep brain stimulators. This has led to a very safe but very short list of approved IUDs. This case, along with thalidomide and DES, represents one of the major medical disasters that damaged trust in women's healthcare and led to excessive caution around including women in clinical trials. May is Women's Health Month, so we'll be highlighting stories like this all month long, ending with a very special and personal episode on our YouTube channel. So make sure to follow and subscribe to all our socials and our YouTube at Today Learn Science so you don't miss a single video.